Hello and welcome guys. Today we are making Hariyali Chicken Tikka. So the ingredients first, for starting from the left, we have gram flour here which is going to act as a binder. Besides that, we also have mustard oil, salt, a lime, green chilies, ginger garlic, whole cumin, coriander powder, garam masala and some chaat masala. We also have coriander leaves, mint leaves, yogurt and of course chicken. So what we have here is thigh fillet that we've made into small cubes. So let's get started. The first stage here guys would be to make a paste out of all the ingredients that you see on your screen, and once we make the paste we're going to use that to marinate the chicken for 30 minutes. So let's get started with making the marinade first. And there you see guys, the paste is done. We're just going to now mix it nicely with the chicken and let it marinate for around 30 minutes. You can see the nice green color that we've gotten here, and that's why this dish is called Hariyali. So let's get on to the next step. So let's now marinate the chicken guys. So just put in the paste that we had prepared in the last step and just mix it very well. And this is it guys. So let's just let's set it aside for 30 minutes. There is no need to refrigerate it. The next step guys would be to put the chicken in the skewers. As you can see, we had soaked the skewers. So let's just go on to putting the chicken in the skewer. And we'll just put the extra marinade on top of the chicken. We've in the meanwhile preheated our oven to around 180 degrees for 10 minutes. We'll put it in the oven for around 25 minutes, but then flip it after 10 minutes. So the chicken is now ready to go into the oven. Now in case guys, we just wanted to show you another way of making the Hariyali Chicken Tikka. In case you don't have an oven handy or bamboo skewers, you can also actually use a regular pan. Just coat it with some oil and butter and fry it as we are doing here. The taste is equally delicious. So this is just an aside in case you don't have an oven at your disposal. And there you see guys, the chicken is out of the oven. It just smells amazing and I'm pretty sure it's going to taste amazing as well. So let's just go on to serving our chicken now. And here you have it guys, the Hariyali Chicken Tikka is absolutely ready. It's served. We're just going to sprinkle some chaat masala on top of it. And that's really going to augment the taste, as you will see. So enjoy!